Hi students, MCQ number 4. A solid material is supplied with heat at a constant rate. The temperature of the material is changing with heat input as shown in the figure. What does the slope DE represent? Now you can see along the x-axis the heat input is taken and along the y-axis the temperature is taken. So O to A is a rise in temperature of the solid. Then A to B is represents to conversion of solid into liquid. Okay. So O to A is a solid state. Then A to B is a melting. Okay. Then B to C is a increase in temperature of the liquid. So B to C is liquid state and C to D is what? It is a vaporization. It is a boiling. And then D to E is what? Vaporous state. Okay. So the temperature of the vapor is increasing. Now let us take that slope DE. So what does the slope DE represent? So slope DE, let us say that this is N. So slope is equal to y-intercept divided by x-intercept. So y-intercept is what? Delta temperature. So this is change in temperature and x-intercept is a change in the quantity of heat input. So slope is equal to delta T divided by delta Q. So let it be first equation for us. Now actually the quantity of heat supplied to any substance is equal to mass into specific heat capacity into difference in temperature. So from this I can write delta Q divided by delta T is equal to M into C. So this is our equation 2. Now what is asked here is the slope DE represents which quantity. So slope DE is equal to delta T by delta Q, which is the reciprocal of delta Q by delta T, is it not? So therefore I will write from this delta Q divided by delta Q is now equal to 1 divided by MC. Okay. So it is a mass into specific heat capacity, that is equal to the heat capacity of vapor. So the reciprocal of the heat capacity of vapor. So option D must be the correct answer. Okay. Therefore option D is the correct answer. Okay. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.